Here I've got GEOTEL Pace to Lite, and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at first let's open the list of all applications, find and choose Settings, go to the Languages and Input, and now click on Languages. And here by tapping on Add a Language, you can select the one that you would like to apply. So as you can see, the list is pretty wide and everyone will find something suitable. Let me choose, for example, Italian from San Marino. And now let's swipe it up to the first plate to make it a default language. Wait a couple of seconds, and that's it. It has been applied, so now the whole device is changed, and now this brand new language is included in your phone. So as you can see, it's all in Italian. Then you can go back to the settings, find language and input, and now you'll be able to change the language one more time, either smoothly by swiping English up, or you can tap on more icon, which is 3 dots one in the right upper corner, click on remove, and then select those that you would like to delete, tap on bin icon, and now you have successfully get rid of them. So that would be all. This is how you can change language on your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.